My village is Kuvavinakoppa. There are 12 members in our family. I live in a joint family. My family is into agriculture. My father is a farmer. Everyone in my family is a farmer. Every child was treated equally as a kid. But boys got a separate attention in their needs or education. As girls, we could never step out alone. We were always dependent on others. They say the only aim for a girl is to get married. Maybe because they think a girl cannot survive without a man. According to me, early marriage is wrong. There is a right age for it. Many of my friends missed college life. They had a lot of the outside world left to see. I was 15 years old when my parents discussed for the first time about marriage. I was against it. It became an argument. We left it and it did not come up again for 2 years. They asked me to stay at home and said it is useless to study as I will be going to my husband's house anyway. I had no skills or knowledge to get a job. I could not even speak with other people, so I could not imagine working with them. While studying in degree college, I did not even know you could check an email on a mobile phone. I had to take a hard decision. I had to escape from my fears. At that time, I knew I was hurting my parents, but it was necessary. So I took a decision to leave my village and go to Deshpande Foundation for a training. When I boarded the bus, I knew this decision had put a huge pressure on me to succeed. I knew that if I did not succeed, I would be used as an example for girls in the village. I had never seen such a big building or a ground before. There were a lot of rules to enter the building. Everyone was speaking English there. I would think if I could survive in a place like that with those people and in those buildings. Nobody from my family visited me at the Deshpande Foundation except for my brother. I feel very bad for it. It was so difficult that I would not have money for food sometimes. I told the administrator that I can't spend a lot of money. I asked him if I could do a 4-month course in 2 months. I convinced him that I would be as good as the seniors by taking their notes. It was the most difficult thing because I had never lived away from my family and worked so hard before. I completed the course in 2 months and applied for an interview with the Meghshala. I got the job and it was a huge turning point of my life. With my first salary, I bought a new smartphone.
ಆವಾಗ ನನ್ಗೆ ಅನಿಸ್ತಿತ್ತು
After getting a job and returning to the village, I got treated differently, with respect. I finally got what I was expecting from society.
ಅದು ನನಗೆ ದೊರೀತು ಅಂತ ನನಗನ್ನಿಸ್ತು.
ಕ್ಯಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು ನೋಡಿ ಸರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಹೊಡೆದ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವೈಫೈ ಡ್ಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಹೆಸರು ಇದನ್ನ ಅದನ್ನ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ
ನಾನು ನಮ್ಮ ಸರ್ಗೆ
I taught my teachers in the village school how to use technology for education.
ಟೀಚರ್ಸಿಗೆ ಈ ಥರ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಅವ್ರು ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿಯಾದರು. ನೀವು ನಮ್ಮ
He is proud that I am able to train the teachers here in the village.
ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಹೌದು,
Sometimes family and society goes against you.
ವಿರೋಧಿಸ್ತಾರೆ,
But if you overcome that and achieve something, they will change their opinion and accept you.
ಇದು ಪ್ರಿಯಾಂಕಾ
I often think what Priyanka Chopra said,
ನೆನಪಾಗ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ.
when you educate a woman,
ಹೆಣ್ಮಗಳು
you educate the whole family.
ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಎಜುಕೇಟೆಡ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ.
Me diz o que você vê. Me diz o que você vê. Uou, ode. Uou, ode. Nós somos encrenqueiras, intrometidas sim. Caso você insista, se prepare pro seu fim. Uou, eu vim aqui pra dizer, grandes batalhas somos grandes guerreiras. Uou, então, ode. Faz o que quiser, faz o que quiser. Uou, vai de mulher onde ela quiser. Ode. Faz o que quiser, faz o que quiser. Uou, vai de mulher onde ela quiser. Ode.
E aí, governantes?
Já estivemos sem voz, já nos calaram muito, mas agora somos a força no som grave dos nossos tambores.
Que você